Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've got some old rusty exhaust headers on your bike, whether it's a BMW GS or any other model, I've got a game-changing trick for you. After years of elbow grease, I discovered this quick, almost magical method that transforms them. Stick with me and I'll walk you through it step by step. I found this little trick, and if you want to see how it can transform your headers from this before look to this after, then follow along because I'll show you exactly how. Let me just quickly go back a little bit. I had a BMW K100 many years ago, and I saw that you can clean headers with Harpic Max 10, and I was like, yeah, okay, right. So I followed what they had turned around and said, and they were correct. It worked on my K100, but my GS here is a little bit more worse, and I thought, no, surely it couldn't work on this. As you can see, it's already got the stuff on there. But the reason I ran to grab my camera is because literally within 10 minutes of just putting it on, giving it a little bit of just a toothbrush, a little bit of a rub, I was like, wow, it's gone from what it was, it's clearing up. And I'm really impressed with it, so I thought I'd quickly get it out and show you the process of doing this. One thing, make sure you wear a mask, make sure you wear gloves, and make sure you're doing this outside where you aren't going to get affected by the harmful fumes. This is all you need to do. You get your Harpic and you just pour it down all over. You want to get a normal toothbrush and just coat it everywhere. Now this is my second time putting this on here. Sometimes you will need to do it multiple times, but I can assure you that this is taking no effort whatsoever, and we all love easy, right? We want to make it as easy as possible, and that's why I thought I'd share this with you, because we all want it easy. Now all of this was completely rusty, and you can already see what's happening. I've already gone through the process once. I'm going to show you the full process now, and all you need to do is just repeat it multiple times. So that is nicely coated on there. Literally, I've not done much. This is an old toothbrush, okay? It's really old. I've never put it in my mouth. I just used it for cleaning stuff. This side was the worst, and I could not see any silver at all. Obviously these higher bits, they're going to sort of stay black because they've been burnt, just tarnished from the amount of heat that's gone through them. So I'm not too worried about that, but I'm just smearing it on a little bit, just gently right now. Nothing too rough, easy, literally no effort whatsoever. I'm going to keep saying this, it's no effort, only because we love no effort. That's basically what you do. You keep on going around, you keep applying the Harpic, and you just keep putting this on and keep agitating it now and then. I'm going to literally leave this for about 5 minutes. I'm going to come back and I'm going to agitate it all, and if I need to put more Harpic on, because I don't want this to, you know, completely dry on me, you can just keep layering more Harpic on, and then I'll take you through the next step in a minute. So I went and grabbed myself a beer, and I came back, wiped it down with a tissue, but look at the results already. Looking much better. I'm going to do this one more time. Look at this. I am impressed. All this is like gone. So I'm going to give it one more go. So keep watching to the end to see the final results. Now that I've applied that, I'm just going to leave it about 5-10 minutes ish, and then I'm just going to give it a little bit of a rough up and then take it off with a towel. Well, when I say towel, a paper towel. It's time to just wipe it off now. I've given it more of a little rough up with my toothbrush, and now I'm just going to wipe it off, have a look. Oh wow. I am impressed. It amazes me every single time. I have not done this in years. Wow. Like, are you kidding me? That looks great. Now, quickly wipe off the other side. This was the side that looks worse. Oh wow. Yeah, okay, you can still, you know, see it's very pitted, but compared to what it was before, it's night and day. Let me get a little bit more of a cloth. I mean, look, I am not going to moan about that, considering I've done barely anything. I mean, you could see before the complete difference. This was just nothing but brown, and this side, wow, even better. You saw that process, and then whilst I was leaving it on there, I literally was coming around here to my wheels to clean these up, right? Because I just had these tyres fitted today, and I was like, I'm a bit disappointed that the rim, it was like this, and I was like, I'm not having that. I'm not having that at all. So I decided to clean that whilst doing these. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments. Considering I didn't have to do anything at all, is this something that you guys will be using? Have you got old headers that need to do this? Yeah, tell me your thoughts in the comment. If you want more videos like this, just remember to subscribe, like, hit the bell notifications so you get to see my future videos. And if you want to stay on the channel, on one of the boxes somewhere, click on it, see if you might like it. Anyway, you ride safe and goodbye for now.